Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Therefore, when one gets to know Krishna, we have to understand that he has understood the entire Vedic scriptures. And Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave that understanding directly. Like that's another thing about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's presentation. You see, in other ages, this development of understanding was gradual. Like naturally, like from class 1 you go to class 2, class 3 you go to class 4. And like that, you gradually progress in your studies. And then you finish your school, then you go to college, and college to university. But that was not the case with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's presentation. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and gave the highest. Say for example, what's the highest? So the highest is the university education. And in the university also, what's the highest? The PhDs, right? So, and it takes a long time, gradual process of coming to that, and very few students make it to the college, even less make it to the university. And in the university, very few become PhDs, right? So it is natural that development keeps on becoming more and more thin. Number keeps on reducing as you go up. But the uniqueness of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's presentation is that he awarded PhDs to everybody. Whether he is a literate or whether he is illiterate, irrespective of that consideration, he is just awarding PhDs. Only thing is that one has to come and sign up. That's the only consideration. Just approach Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and appeal for the degree. And although Chaitanya Mahaprabhu so freely distributing this mercy, but very few people are willing to accept it. But those who are accepting it, they're very fortunate. And what they're getting the highest spiritual benefit.